salt is still left. Can you just explain the product too? I just want the hoodie. I don't want all the pacers and all. I just want what is the face. There is some already.
Phase change material?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Can you just... Okay. The phase change material is a type of salt which is means it is in the pores, between the pores of the material, and when the weather becomes quite warm, the material will means it will melt, means it will change into liquid state. So at that time it even has the thing that temperature changes will accordingly change the material, the temperature of that chemical. So it will accordingly give us the cold, the cool feeling. And when it's cool weather, at that time the pores, that material, the salt gets into that salt gets solidified. And when the salt gets solidified, means it will stop the warmth entering into your entering at the other side of your hoodie. So it will give you the warmth. At the solidification of that material will give you the warmth, and the liquefaction of that material will give you the cool feeling.
Has it been put into the hoodie? Or it's just a hoodie?
Ma'am, actually the Outlast people, they only give you retail, they only do partnerships. We ordered samples from Outlast and we tested it, it works. How it works is actually like when you put ice into water, it melts and keeps the water cool itself. So when there is a warm temperature, the hydrated salts will melt. They are put into pores, and they will keep you cool. And when it's cold, they will solidify. When ice solidifies, it gives out heat. So it will keep you warm. It changes according to the environment outside, automatically.
The activities in the molecules of the chemical.
They are hydrated salts actually.
What is the logo mean? This logo? It's in all your letters.
These are our mascots.
These are our mascots.
These are actually exclamations.
Yeah, I thought they were exclamation.
Exclamation marks.
Yeah.
So these are mascots.
We have used mascots for branding and marketing.
Just a general instruction to all of you all. There is a new criteria has been added to the entire the pricing strategy criteria. The price aspect. We look at the price aspect separately from everything else. So we don't want any one of you to just price your products vaguely or anything. We will take everything into consideration: your costs, your profit, your profit strategy, the pricing strategy, and then we will just judge you on that.
So shall we do the pricing?
No.
Shall I explain?
Anyone from the audience?
Anyone has
Any more
doubts?
questions? Even the audience is open to ask any questions. If you have any question about the product or the marketing strategy, feel free.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. It works both ways. You can flip the.
No, Abhinav, we have installed the pockets. The pockets in which they are kept are lead coated. Means lead always protects the radiations to enter into our body, and at the same time heat. If we have problem with heat, means there is a material between it, so that's fine, absolutely.
And also waterproof, so you are not even shocked.
Yeah. Yes.
Do you know what is the hydrated salt?
Huh?
Do you know what is the hydrated salt? How it will solidify?
We can show you samples tomorrow if you want. We can bring the samples and show you how it works.
It's just a molecule activity. Get inside.
We
I
are
have never seen hydrated salt to solidify.
Okay, yeah.
He's a science student, man.
You can just log on to the site of Outlast.
Outlast,
You
yes.
can
Bring the sample tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll bring the sample tomorrow.
We have tested it quite a bit of time. So that's fine. We just tested. Yes, Parth.
What is the weight of the hoodie?
The weight is quite normal. Means it's not so much to worry about. Means not more than 500 grams more. So the things which we have installed are quite small. The battery pack is not so big, so it won't matter much. Yes.
Can't the tasers and pepper spray used for bad purpose?
Well, if you are having any women or female with you, ask them how they can be used.
Can be used by these also.
Guys, I think we are deviating from our main purpose. If you have any question which is very concentrated on the product or the marketing strategy, please ask. Otherwise, we don't want this. How to use, when to use, where to use, please. We will have the videos of that. Yeah, please log on to that and have a look. Okay? I think from now onwards we will stop the audience questions, because I don't think so that audience questions are making much sense. We will have only the judges asking the questions. Okay? Alright. I think very good presentation, a very colorful presentation. Yeah? And a very, very, what you can say, lively presentation, I must
Good
say.
grip on the audience.
Yeah? Okay. I think give them a round of applause.
Thank you.